Hello again, people. I couldn't leave this video off. You've probably noticed I'm making loads of videos at the moment. Well, the reason for that is, and I've said this many times before, is that for whatever reason it seems to improve my trading. I guess I must have to, it's like I have to, my analysis is accountable almost. So gold has done what I'd hoped it would do today and yielded a ton more pips for me since my last video. And but I'm not at the charts all day. I mess around with animals, looking after horses, and helping my sister when I can at stables, and then the normal daily chores in life, bulk buying toilet rolls and things like that. So no, I didn't really. I did buy a big pack about a week ago, but I find this stuff hilarious. Anyway, so I had to go and do some shopping anyway. So when I come back to the charts, I'm looking for opportunities, and I'm loving this 8 hourly EMA. And when I started looking at this, what I did, I scanned through a bunch of charts, and this was down here, and I could see an opportunity there, but then I started making a video, got distracted, and I'd made enough pips and I didn't want to take a chance. But we're down here, we've got divergence, and we were at this S1, this yellow line here. Sorry, I don't know why I've got the crosshairs on there. At this S1. The other important thing to take into account when you're looking for trades at the last knock-ins, as it were, check the daily range is sensible. If it had been 120 there and moving down, then it's more likely to continue down. But where it was here, 200, if it showed signs of reversing back to this line, and we know this is a solid strategy, because look at that move there. It looks nothing. It's an M5 chart. We've got the reversal, sort of 3 or 4 candle signal there. This is showing bullishness, and that move just back to that was 25 pips. And if you only need 5 pips, like I do, to make my day's quota, this move here, from that candle there, that with a flat head on it as well, that's another little thing that I don't mention, but is in the back of my mind. There's no wick. That's a massively bullish candle, that one. And then it shot up. The next candle was 23 pips. It's only it's about a 2 pip spread during the day. Later on now it's getting more, but that whole move, well, so far it's just smashed that 8 hourly EMA, is 50 pips. Bearing in mind we only need 5. So you just tick these boxes, descending trend line. It's highly likely, 1, 2, 3. Why is it not going to test it again? ADR, as I've said, divergence, as I've mentioned. Excuse me. No divergence on this, which is worth mentioning as well. But so you're getting mixed messages, but clear divergence on this, obviously. And then even on those last 2 little dips, that was a lower low but a higher low here. So that's that one. I didn't trade it, but I did trade gold. We've been talking about gold for the last 2 days now, 3 or 4 videos up. Focusing on gold, and there's a long you can just see over there. I'm not going to explain why I took these trades, but they're all related to the 8 hourly EMA and the indicators. Trust me, these are the leading. This is all this strategy is about: levels, indicators. And the beauty about this one is, look, we popped up with power to the north side. There was tons of power in this, whereas when we're down here, look, if you're thinking about shorts, it's not even broken the 20 level. There is no power there to short it, even though it's below the 8 hourly EMA. Gets difficult to say that. We've got the little power reversal on this thing as well, so we're above zero. There's no way on earth I want to be considering going short there, but every reason to be considering still going long there. And I've explained in previous videos why I thought this was bearish, so have a look at them if you've got time. Once again, that was 22 pips, this one was 17 pips, and this one was 17 pips as well. So all in all, 3 and a bit, 7 say, so 3 and a bit, 7, and then 4 times my daily requirement, so that's 11 times my daily requirement in those 3 trades, and then add the 2 other trades to it. You can imagine how happy I am, and that's probably 3 or 4 hours work, including mostly the videos now. So, and this has continued down massively since I closed that trade, which I said it would in the previous video. I felt they were going to push this down. If we look at H4, you can see that big trend: high, low, lower, high, lower, low, pullback. This is. Remember, I was saying this is a pullback to the long trade, but I suppose if you wanted to use Fibonacci's, I don't. They confuse the hell out of me. This must be somewhere in the region of 50% pullback now, top to bottom, right on the 50% line, and that and right on there. So you can see why people like Fibonacci's, but not for me. I've got my strategy. But never say never. If you see Fibonacci's on my chart some stage, it might drive you mad, or hopefully it'll make you laugh, but man, you never ever stop learning in this business. So anyway, thank you for watching. 5 trades, 5 superb winners today. Humongous pip count for me, and I think it's all down to concentrating on these videos, guys, so I've got you to thank for that. So have a good evening. It's now 7:17 and I'm going to watch some crap on the telly again. Thanks for watching, have a great day.